Hi everyone, my name is Carrie. I want to give you a testament of my experience with Key Credit Repair. Key Credit Repair, what I like most about them is I was able to give them my information and they handled the process very smooth and very fast. And they made it super easy for me. The best part of my experience is the customer service and the super fast results of their eliminating the negative off my credit. What changes have made me happy so far? The removal of all the negative items on my credit report. I have been with them for over a month now, and I can say all my negatives have been removed. I recommend Key Credit Repair for anyone who is looking to change their credit and improve their credit. They are very fast with their results and they have great customer service. So if you ever need a hand or help, don't hesitate to call them. They will be right there, willing and able to help you. Thank you. That's just me. Bye.